Introducing the newest powerful addition to the Black & Decker 40V Max lithium-ion family of tools, the high-performance 13-inch brushless string trimmer. Brushless motor technology for more power, more durability, and 30% longer runtime. The patented power drive transmission increases torque to deliver more cutting power to the string. Featuring a wide 13-inch cut path, easily converts from a trimmer to edger. Automatic feed spool that automatically feeds trimmer line with no bumping required. A high-performance 40V Max battery offers powerful performance and long battery life. Part of the Black & Decker 40V Max lithium system. The high-performing, high-power, highly intelligent new brushless trimmer from Black & Decker.
Finally, a more efficient solution for dispensing caulk and adhesives. Introducing the 18V LXT lithium-ion cordless 29-ounce caulk and adhesive gun. It's part of a series of Makita cordless caulk and adhesive guns designed to provide faster dispensing speed for increased productivity. An industry-leading 1,100 pounds of dispensing power means more efficient dispensing even with high viscosity materials in cold weather conditions. The caulk and adhesive gun is equipped with a variable speed trigger and 5-speed dial to match the speed to the application for an even bead at all viscosity levels. The drip reduction feature relieves pressure when the trigger is released to minimize unintentional dispensing. This tool is equipped with an LED light for improved visibility, as well as an overload indicator light that notifies the operator when the tool is nearly overloaded to minimize breakage of the sealants. It'll accommodate caulk and adhesives in the most widely used sizes for industrial applications.
I really like the Makita product. A lot lighter, works really well, no button to free anything, really nice gun.
The Milwaukee backpack vacuum, the suction power works awesome.
Milwaukee 3-in-1 backpack vac, a lot more suction.
It's amazing the power it's got to be a cordless vacuum. The backpack is really convenient. I see it's got attachment to put them in my cart.
I prefer to put it on my back move easily with it. You can clean up a lot more area without tripping over cords.
The versatility is nice when you're working with stuff up high. You can strap it to the ladder. If you need to get in a tight space, you can set it on the ground or hold it.
The filter is really easy to clean. It's amazing because it takes just seconds to clean the canister and just go back to work.
Even when it's strapped right on my back, right next to my ears, it's very quiet.
First thing I noticed that when I turned it on that I could hardly even tell that it was on.
Quieter vacuum, you can still go inside finished places.
Having the Milwaukee 3-in-1 backpack vacuum is awesome. It's versatile, holds true to its name. I'm very impressed with it.
Fuel Hackzall speed, phenomenal.
It seems like the new fuel Hackzall reciprocates a lot faster, cuts a lot faster.
With the fuel Hackzall, you feel almost no vibration at all. It cuts really super smooth with a nice smooth cut. You get the precise cut that you're looking for.
It's easy on your arms, your body. And the fuel Hackzall is balanced really well, and it's a lot lighter. And you don't have a cord, so it's a lot easier to maneuver. It's a great tool.
The M18 Hackzall, I haven't found a material yet that I haven't been able to cut with it. I've done all sorts of things with it, demo, new construction, and it's been working great, same as the first day that I got it.
The fuel Hackzall is extremely durable. It's a tool that you can rely on.
The fuel Hackzall is definitely heavy duty. It's definitely sped up our productivity, and it's a tool that you must have right now.
It's those three things. It's speed, it's durability, and it's comfortable to use.
It takes the demand that you give it, and it performs the way you want it to perform.
It works. I mean, it's a great Hackzall.
The REMS AccuCurvo pipe bender is ideal for bending Reflock aluminium tube. This 24-volt battery-powered model will bend tube from 3/8 of an inch to 1 1/8 of an inch. Here we see the tool prior to fitting the tube former. Fitting a 7/8 of an inch former. The 7/8 of an inch tube is fed through the driver prior to being bent. Then the back former is offered up. Then located by its insert bolt. Depress the inching switch and tube bending will commence. Keep the inching switch depressed until the required angle of bend is achieved, in this case a 90-degree bend. Depress the reversing switch to change the winding direction. Then depress the inching switch and the tool will wind backwards to its park position. Remove the insert bolt whilst holding the back former, which will allow you to release the tube from the tool. The completed aluminium tube section with 90-degree bend.
effortless operation. Notice the clearance around the bit when drilling. It's even all around and hardly wears the paint off the barrel. An important safety feature is the built-in clutch that protects both the operator and the equipment from harm if the bit jams for any reason. When drilling through steel, the operator will feel the resistance immediately. Simply reduce pressure on the feed handle and let the drill speed stay constant. When the hole finishes, the core bit will spin freely in the drilled hole. By reversing the feed handle rotation to counterclockwise, the core will be pushed out from inside the core bit. For larger holes, use the same method. The best cutting speed is achieved by increasing the feed unit until the drill bit starts to slow, then ease up a little. To remove the core from inside the core bit, simply reverse the feed handle. With the core still in the hole, dismantle the Core Easy machine from the guidepost. Pull the guidepost sideways to loosen the anchor, and the guidepost will now loosen by hand. Drilling downward into a floor is similar to drilling into a wall. Just keep the drill speed fast and the water supply consistent. In steel, progress will only slow, but it is easy to judge the pressure needed. You will see the steel reinforcement when the core is removed. The Core Easy system is designed to safely retain the secured core, not allowing it to fall. Note the high concentration of steel. The Core Easy is versatile. You will be able to drill in a confined space with the shorty attachment, and the feed lever can be replaced by a ratchet wrench as shown. The standard shorty attachment can drill 9-inch holes with only 24 inches of clearance. It is possible to extend the drill depth by following the 9-inch core bit with deeper core bits. The possibilities are only limited by the depth of the core bits. The Core Easy is also capable of drilling at any angle by simply placing the drilling.
The WORX Hydroshot, the first of its kind cordless power cleaner. Designed to go wherever you need it and make child's play out of messes like these. Drawing water from any fresh water source, the battery-powered WORX Hydroshot can handle just about anything, anywhere. The WORX Hydroshot, a thing of beauty.
From the company that brought you the WTX Clamp Edge Saw Guide, we introduce the Bora Saw Plate. Add the Bora Saw Plate to your WTX Clamp Edge, ensuring you get an even more precise cut with practically no effort. That's because with a Bora Saw Plate, your circular saw cannot drift off course. The Bora Saw Plate is specially designed with an adjustable guide that fits straight edges up to 3.5 inches wide. Now your circular saw will glide smoothly and in a perfectly straight line along the WTX clamp edge rail. Your saw can't wander or twist during cutting, so there's no binding or stalling when a blade goes slightly offline. The Bora saw plate works with any right or left-handed circular saw. First, adjust the saw's blade for the depth you want to cut. Then, slip the saw's base plate under the two plate clamps and tighten the screws. Secure the back of the saw plate by tightening the adjustable spring clamp. Slip the Bora saw plate onto your WTX clamp edge and align your cut utilizing the saw plate blade indicator, which is aligned directly with the saw's blade. Now you're ready to make perfectly straight cuts every time. With the Bora saw plate, you can rip material up to 50 inches long, or even longer when you add the optional extension kit. When you get straight cuts, your assembled work fits properly and looks better. So if you want to make precise cuts, get the Bora saw plate from Bora Tools. Visit boratool.com to learn more.